have taken PCM. So this is actually the first time I'm shooting camera to camera. No, wait, I'm not a camera. So camera to me. You get my point, right? So apologies in advance if I say something off the track, and it's my first time and I'm not really a camera person. So for a little bit of context, today is 27th and tomorrow is going to be 28th, which is going to be the first day of my LN. And I really don't know what to expect because I have heard those stories. People say, my seniors say, like, Ellen, oh my god, it's really brutal. But yeah, let's hope for the best. I have no idea what to expect when I go there. So yeah, all I can do right now is just focus on the present and do what I can to just feel prepared a bit. So right now I am going to study a bit, just get on the hang of all the basics. And for the context again, after my 10th board, I have really been off the track. I have been sleeping late, I have been waking early late, and it's like my routine was a mess. And even now, it's currently 10. So, I've woken up around 8 a.m. So it's going to be like, get on, routine with me too. I am going to take you all to my journey with me, and yep, let's go.
I walk up 8 or 9, I'm dry with my favorite jacket, thinking my bag, running to the perch. Promise making it within one place, counting birds on the tree. Every day I live in life, I want to go to shop and pick out a silly thought.
My life is abundant and full of joy. My life is abundant and full of joy.
Okay, so now I'm done with my 2 study sessions and I'm going to take a proper break. So as I said, after my board exam, I have been on and off with my routine. So, one of them was reading book 2. So after my board exam, I have been into a huge reading slump because I was like, I want to read, but I'm, not feeling it, right? But so yeah, I want to continue that, my, previous habit of reading. And I love reading too. But after my board, and I was like in a huge reading slump. So we are gonna fix that. And also look at the cute bookmark. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so also in Guwahati, it's like quite chilly outside and it's raining and it's the perfect weather. Okay, so a perfect time to read a book. Okay guys, so it's currently 9 p.m. and I'm gonna pack up my bag for tomorrow's class, and I am really nervous as well as excited. So let's go. So these are the notebooks I will be taking. So I don't have much idea how the schedule works, but I'm just gonna take like physics, chemistry, maths, and this is gonna be my rough notebook. And so here I have received LN modules. As you can see, like they have 18 in total, I guess. Wait, let me show you. Yep, these are the modules, and these are just rough. So like these are the like module 1, module 2, module 3, and all that stuff. But for now I have no idea what to take, what to not take. But I'm gonna take module 1 only, and like basic subjects. And this is my bag. Look at this. And say hi to Mr. Mocha. He's so cute. Actually, my sister gave this to me, and I'm gonna keep this as a lucky charm. And here I have my Pikachu and this Pokemon, and finally Ellen. Yeah, this bag. These Mr. Mocha. Say hi. So yeah, this is my pouch. it's done. So I have packed my bag and I'll take out my uniform too. And I'm gonna meet you all tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's currently 3 a.m. and I just woke up. I'll have a bath now and just do my skincare. And in the meantime, actually, I usually study in the morning, but right now, because my nervous system is high, so I'm just gonna, chill a bit, like, maybe do some meditation, yoga, and stuff. Just have, a little slow. And maybe I'll study too. Yeah, I'll let you know, guys. Okay guys, so I just got out of the bath and now I'm gonna do my basic skincare. So do skincare with me while I yap. So first of all, I am a hardcore overthinker, okay? So for me, like taking even the tiniest step, it's so hard, okay? And it is a curse that I would say, overthinking. Though I'm trying to overcome it, but it's not easy. And whenever I overthink, it's usually like the smallest thing that normal people wouldn't even worry about. But for me, it's like I overthink the tiniest decision and get anxious about it. Look outside, it's so pretty. Her in a yoga, and her videos and yoga are pretty nice. I like it. Like, it just calms my whole body. So you guys can check it out if you want.
Welcome to our meditation for personal power and inner strength. Today's mindful practice will focus on energizing and opening the solar plexus chakra, the Manipura chakra.
Guys, I am ready to leave now. This is my uniform. Of course, you know it. So I'll meet you in some time and will update you guys. एलन का पहला दिन। हम लोग 4 सीढ़ियाँ चल के आए हैं। 4th फ्लोर है ना ये। गाइस अभी हम लोग पार्टी चल रही है। आज दो मैथ्स क्लास के बाद ये हमारे इमोशनल सपोर्ट। Okay guys, so I'm back from my Ellen now and I am shooting this video on the second day of my Ellen because on the first day after I came home I fell asleep, so we are gonna ignore that. So I'll tell you, oh my god, the first day and even now, like the second day, they are amazing, guys. Like seriously, I don't get why people say Ellen is like, kind of scary and stuff, because at least right now, right, first of all, teachers are awesome, especially my maths teacher. He is amazing, he's fabulous, okay? And I love the vibe, the classrooms, it's literally so nice. My maths teacher, physics and chemistry sir, like both are amazing. Like every single teacher is amazing there, I would say. And the vibe, the energy the energy was really positive. I loved it. And like people say, right, the scary stuff, the serious stuff, of course, you gotta study there, it's gonna be serious. But like the teachers, they were saying themselves like relax a bit. And like our maths teacher was so funny, is so funny. And even our physics and chemistry teacher, they both are really nice. But my favorite is now maths sir. So yeah, wait, let me show you guys what I did. So it's gonna be like 2-day ka work. Well, wait, I'm doing my maths right now. Coffee, black coffee obsessed person. Okay, so like on the first day we did some like basic stuff like sets and stuff, and this is the the thing of the second day. So we did some like questions and stuff. Like so yeah, from the second day like actual study started, and it's nice. I like it. Like our math teacher explains everything so well, and he's very chill. Like even if I don't understand anything, oh my god, right, I have to focus. Yeah, even if I don't understand anything, he explains it very nicely. Okay, this is about for maths. Yeah, so this is physics. So physics, yep. So physics we didn't do much. Oh no, this is chemistry. Yeah, let's go to the chemistry only. So our chemistry sir is also very nice. Like he explained the concept very well. So on the first day we did like basic mole concept. Then here we did a first day. And from this part we started a second day, like which was today. Yeah, it's nice, like some basic questions and stuff. And yeah, finally chemistry, physics. I mixed up the subject, never mind. So for physics we did like very little till now because our sir is on leave. Like he will be going on leave, so it's like a basic overview of the chapter. And chemistry and our physics sir is also very funny. He's nice. I like him. So yeah, but math teacher is the OG. Okay, so like yeah, I liked everything, and well, gonna update you guys in the future. Okay, so this was it for the video, and to be honest, I am amazed. I am really happy. The people I found there, I made a few friends. Oh. Okay, so I made few friends and they are really nice. So I really wanted a nice friend group there, because when you have positive and happy people around you, you also get that energy. So yeah, I made really nice friends, and the teachers are really nice, and the overall energy vibe, whatever you call it, it is really nice. So yeah, I hope we are gonna continue this in the future and till the end of my journey, everything's gonna stay the same. And of course, there will be pressure and stuff, but it's just the part of studies. But at the same time, I will have the assurance that people are gonna be nice, the energy, the teachers are really nice, I can freely talk to them. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked it, and I will maybe update you on my study sessions and stuff, study routine. I will maybe soon make a video. Well, till then, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Bye bye.